Hi there, Mark Shelton, Pro Hanger Supply. Wanted to come to you today and just give a quick video on doing a little maintenance on your inch counter. This is a standard equipment with a lot of our pasting machines and material dispensers. Not so much an issue with the material dispensers because of course you're dealing with dry goods, but cleaning and maintaining your inch counter when you're using it in conjunction with your pasting machine can be a little bit, some people not sure exactly what they should and shouldn't do, so just want to do a quick video on how I tackle that. So as you know, your inch counter is sitting on top of your pasted material. We'll just go ahead and show you that real quick. So as a demonstration, we don't have paste in here, but this is how you feed your material through. And your inch counter is sitting here. Tighten that up. On top of your pasted material. And so throughout the day, as you're pulling, your wheels are picking up paste. And over time, they start accumulating paste and getting dirty. So there's certain things you do and don't want to do with your inch counter. You do not want to get moisture or water inside the works of this box because there's moving parts made of metal that can rust. So you do not want to ever submerge this in water or get water inside it. You know, there's some little cracks and things that you don't want to just soak it down. So the best way that I've found to clean your inch counter, I typically will take it off because of course the paste gets a little crusty on these wheels, so I don't want to do it over my paste well. I don't want to clean it over my paste well because then I've got debris falling into my paste and then causing problems, you know, gunking up the work. So I'll take it off the machine and I use a toothbrush or just a little tool brush. And I'm gonna take it to a bucket of water or something like that and just wet it and brush it away from the works of the machine, the mechanical part of the machine. Go around, clean that real well, get all that debris loose, and then just wipe it off with a rag. Now, if you have any paste on the housing of the counter, wet rag, damp rag, not a wet rag. You don't want to soak it again. And then I will also take my brush and I'll clean your axle there off and get that clean. Now, if you, and I'm typically going to do that at least every day at the end of the day, sometimes twice a day when I'm breaking for lunch. I'll go ahead and clean it. It's going to depend a little bit on your paste, what paste you're using. Some pastes are going to build up on your wheels a little bit more than others. But you want to maintain that, keep it clean so that it's getting, it's getting friction on your paper so you're not getting skips. Now, sometimes people say, their wheels start getting to where they're not turning as well. They're having skipping issues. So the first thing I would say, not wet, wait till it's dry and take a brush and just check that right there where that axle goes into the housing. Check and make sure you don't have any buildup of paste right there. Clean that off good. And then I take, every so often, a little bit of lubricant, and I will just take a couple drops, put it on either side, right there at that juncture where that axle goes into the housing, and then just clear it out several times. That's going to allow just a little bit of lubrication to get in there. It helps keep that seal sealed, helps it keep moisture out, and keeps it nice and lubricated. I've had people say they don't use a counter because it skips, but a well-maintained counter is more accurate, or as accurate as any tape measure. You do have skips if you let paste build up or if you let water get inside, and then it quits functioning like it's supposed to. But if you maintain your counter, this is going to be one of your best friends. Okay, Mark Shelton, Pro Hanger Supply. I hope that's helpful. Have a great day.